Hello traders, today is the 14th of January 2011, and happy trading to you all. London is now open. Okay, we are now waiting for New York to open also in 2 hours or so, something like that. And we are looking at the Euro USD, my favorite currency pair that I use very often for educational purposes only. The video is for educational purposes. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell anything. Okay, what do I need to say to you here? Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 TSTW SYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magd.com. Okay, we thank you for visiting our channel, and we hope that you continue to watch all our excellent educational video. Okay, how to detect a bullish trap. Okay, this video is about how to detect clearly and accurately a bullish trap. Okay, suppose you are buying here where the gap is. Okay, you want to buy and you see a signal here to buy, or your indicator is telling you here to buy. Okay, or for one reason or another, the time frame on which you are on, okay, is telling you to buy. Okay, right here, look what's happened. The price gaps down here. Okay, so you may consider this level here as a bullish trap. Okay, you are buying, okay, not knowing that the next thing going to happen is that the price will gap down. Okay, so even if you do not have a stop loss, that will be terrible for your trading account if you do not stick to the 5% trading account management rules. Okay, so if you do not know about the 5% money management rule, you may go to www.dayprotraders.com and click on risk management before it is too late. Okay, so if you are buying here in a point in a time, okay, on this chart, okay, and the price gap down like this, okay, that's a loss. Okay, so that's a big loss, because you thought that perfectly, you enter the trend. Okay, suppose you enter right there, and the next thing that happened, that the price just turn around quickly. Okay, because this is what usually happen when traders are facing a bullish trap. The price does not give the trader a chance to react, because the price will move very fast. Why the price usually will move very fast? Because many traders are completely wrong. Okay, so more than 80% of traders will be buying at the wrong time. This is the key about a bearish trap: buying at the wrong time. Okay, so many traders are buying at the wrong time, only to see that the smart money is pushing the price in the other direction. Because their stop loss has been taken out, okay, many traders see their position being taken out. They become a sellers because they were buying. If they have to close their position, if the computer has to close their position for them, okay, according to their limit orders, okay, they become a sellers, and the price will gap down very fast. That's what usually happens during a bullish trap. Okay, but how do you detect a bullish trap? How do you detect a bullish trap? What is a bullish trap? Okay, now the first thing I want to say to you, a bullish trap, okay, is a bullish signal that looks so bullish. That's one of the characteristics of a bullish trap. The signal will look perfectly bullish, perfectly gorgeous, perfectly nice, and you will be also, the second is that you will be so confident to take the trade. So if somebody is asking you, are you prepared to take this trade? Your answer will be, of course, I want to take this trade. Okay, and the third is that you will be eager to take the trade. So the trade will look perfectly bullish. Okay, and the second thing that you will be willing to take the trade. Okay, and the third thing is that you will be eager to take the trade. Okay, and those who are aggressive traders, those who are careless traders, will even be prepared not to use a stop loss. In that case, they will say that this is obvious, this is no brainer, this trade is a winner. Okay, they will say this is a winner, that there's no point that this trade will turn against them. And because they are so confident, because the trade looks so bullish, the trade looks valid. Okay, and they check everything, they put MACD on it, they put RSI on it, they put stochastic on it, they put the rate of change on it, they put the momentum indicator on it, they put the true strength indicator on it. Okay, they use the Williams percentage, they put on the chart, they check everything carefully, they put moving averages. Okay, they see that the moving average 50 is below the moving average 200. Okay, all the moving average going down, they cross to the downside, everything looks so no, cross to the downside. Everything looks so bullish. Okay, the moving average cross to the upside. Okay, moving average 50 goes above the moving average 200. Okay, everything looks bullish. Okay, so they check everything. The MACD is saying that buy. Okay, the stochastic is saying buy. The RSI is saying buy. Okay, the moving average is saying buy. Okay, the true strength indicator is saying buy. Okay, the trend efficiency indicator is saying buy. The Williams percentage is saying buy. Okay, everything is telling you buy, 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 buy. And yourself, you say to yourself buy, and you are really up for it. You are eager to enter the trend. You see the smile in your face. Okay, you feel good about the trend. You know that this is it. All the losses that you have made before, it's your time to recoup it. Okay, and some of the aggressive traders will wipe out their trading account by taking that a false signal, which is a bullish trap. Okay, but how do you detect this crazy, okay, nasty bullish trap? Okay, we use the TSTW24 trading system, but what I will say to you, I'll give you two examples of a bullish trap. Very nasty, beautiful bullish trap. Okay, now when you receive, okay, a single red signal followed by a triple green signal, that triple green signal is a bullish trap. I repeat again, when you receive, okay, a single red signal followed by a triple red signal, when you receive a single red signal, I will say again, when you receive a single red signal followed by a triple green signal, that triple green signal, okay, is a bullish trap. Okay, as a TSTW24 trader, we recognize clearly this a nasty, beautiful bullish trap. When I start trading first, this signal, this bullish trap has cost me so much money, because I always take that signal. Even sometimes I was not even aware that I was taking the same signal over and over. I was not even noticing that this is one of the signal that is costing me so much money, because it looks so obvious bullish. Okay, it looks so real. Okay, and I was always confident, and I always took that trade. Okay, and because my strength was that every trade that I took, I always go back and look at it. That's how I managed to detect that this is a nasty, beautiful bullish trap. Okay, because when I go back and review my trade, every trade that I lost, I review it. I came to a point one day when I was looking on my chart, in order to find out why this trade is a loser, even though all the moving average crossed to the upside, all the indicators were backing buy, all the trading system are saying buy, all the robots are saying buy. Myself, I was up for it, I was confident about it. There was no economic news that came during that time, but that bullish signal was not successful, and I want to know why, of course. Okay, and that's how I find out that a triple green signal that follow a single red signal is a dangerous bullish trap. Okay, that's how slowly by surely I build the TSTW24 trading system. And they are one of the advantage of the TSTW24 trading system is to detect clearly a bullish trap and a bearish trap. Okay, so in this video and in the previous video I talk about the bearish trap. In this video I'm talking to you about a bullish trap. So a triple green signal that is following, okay, a triple green signal that follow a single red signal is a nasty bullish trap. So whenever you see a triple green signal after you receive a single red signal, stay away from that triple green signal. Is a bullish trap. Step aside and observe the price. Okay, very important information, especially for those who are using the TSTW24 trading system. And do not fall into that trap, because it's costing more than 80% of traders in the market right now a lot of money, and some of the traders do not even know that this is one of the signals that is costing them money, and they will be taking the same signal every day, every month, every year, continuously, without even knowing that this is a trap all the time. Okay, the second bullish trap, okay, that I will reveal to you here, if you are TSTW24 trader, is that when you receive, okay, when you receive a double red signal followed by a triple green signal. That triple green signal is a bullish trap. I repeat, when you receive a double red signal followed by a triple green signal, that triple green signal is a bullish trap. Okay, so we know now two types of bullish trap. The first one is the triple green that you receive after a single red signal, and the next one is the triple green that you receive after a double red signal. Okay, so master it, know it once and for all, master it, drill it, okay, and own it. Okay, so you do not make that mistake anymore. Okay, you avoid that mistake at all time. You recognize clearly on every time frame. You see all the time, even on the daily chart. This is one of the signal that is causing the swing traders a lot of problems. Okay, and I may create a new page on one of our websites when I will put a test there for traders to take. Okay, and I will put some chart patterns and I'll ask them where can you feel confident or to buy, or I will put a chart on our website and I will ask traders to vote. Are you willing to buy at this point, or are you willing to sell at this point? And you will see that more than 80% of traders that are now using the TSTW24 trading system will say to you, yes, I will perfectly take this buy signal. But because it looks so real, it looks so valid as a valid bull signal, but in fact it's not a valid a bullish signal, because in most cases you will see even the moving average will cross to the upside. You will see the stochastic will be oversold. You will see the RSI will be oversold. You will see the MACD crossing above its signal line, and everything is telling you buy, 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 but in fact is sell. Okay, so this is one of the advantage of the TSTW24 trading system. So whenever anybody purchases the TSTW24 trading system, I always make sure that I let the person understand clearly that these are a fake signal, that they understand clearly that these are a bullish trap, that they avoid them by all means. Otherwise, if they are not aware of that signal, they will be taking it by all means. They will be taking it consistently by all means, and it will cost them money, and we do not want that. We want people to be successful. So in order to achieve consistent winning trade, because the TSTW24 trading system is about consistent winning trade, okay? That's what we build it for. So those who are struggling, okay, because myself, like I said to you before in my previous video, that I couldn't even finish 1 week profitably ever when I was trading first, okay? If I win by Friday, I give everything back and end up losing. I ever completed 1 week successfully. This was going on for years, okay, when I started trading first. And it was so frustrating. I consider myself like the most unlucky trader in the world, okay? So if you think that you are the worst trader ever before, I was one of the worst traders than you before. So there is a hope for you. There's a future for you. So you can use that as encouragement, okay? So that's how I decided to build the TSTW24 trading system. And one thing I would suggest to traders in this video, that when you are a new trader, okay, or you are a trader in the market for some time now and you are struggling, okay, what I will say to you is that, okay, whenever you took a trade, at the end of the day, when the market closes, when the window closes, okay, go back to the screen in your own time, and every trade that you take, mark it down, and remember the time you took the trade and which time frame you were on, exactly which indicator were on the chart. Put them everything back as it was the time you were taking the signal, and look at it until you understand exactly what went wrong, why the signal went wrong. The bullish trap that I'm talking to you here about, okay, which is the first one which we talk about, the triple green signal after the single red signal. In the swing trading, this is one of the signals that cause the swing traders a lot of headache, because first, okay, swing trading involve higher stop loss. So you're going to put like 100 pip, 120 pip, 180 pip, depending on the volatility of the financial instrument that you are trading, okay? So you are exposing yourself to a higher risk because you are swing trading, okay? If you are position trading, you're going to take higher stop loss, okay? But if you are not aware of this bullish trap, I mean, you are just taking a chance. You are just taking a chance. You are not sure what you are doing. Now, in order to achieve consistent winning trade, you should be able to understand the signal and to recognize a valid signal. Not only to recognize a valid signal, to filter out also fake signal. That's why we do not recommend a trading robot, because the trading robot will not show you what is the fake signal. Okay, it will not tell you what is the fake signal. You will not understand the meaning of the signal either. Okay, so as a TSTW24 trader, okay, know it once and for all that when you see a triple a green signal after a single red signal, do not take it. Step aside, okay, and observe the price. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is that when you see a triple green signal after a double red signal, do not take it. Step aside. Okay. Sometimes you will see that signal, that is the fake signal, will be a successful trade, but you can bet on it. More than 80% of the time, it's a bullish trap. Okay. So, like I show you here, those who bought it here during that time, okay, here, they bought it at the wrong time. They bought it at the wrong place, and they were not aware of it. It's not their fault, because the whole thing looks like a signal. If you look carefully on this chart here, the price display a kind of a double bottom pattern. If I remove my my thing here for you, you can see clearly here that somebody who were buying here at this point in time, okay, you can see clearly that these people, if you buy here, you thinking that the price display a higher low. Okay, so somebody who is looking at here buying during that time here, you think that the price display a higher low or whatever, okay, or double bottom, okay. And this is I mean, this is not exactly what it is I'm talking to you, but this is similar to what I'm talking to you about, okay, as an example. And the price gap down, okay, and you will see sometime on Friday the signal will be set, and that's what happened also on Friday. Sometime on Friday, what I will suggest to the TSTW24 traders, as the forex market is about to close, okay, if you want to know sometime which days, okay, sometimes you come in on Sunday, okay, and the market will gap down, okay, or gap up. If you want to know that, okay, you need to just go as the market is about to close. Okay, you may go to the first best time frame of the TSTW24 trading system, or the second best time frame, or even on a daily chart, okay, whichever time frame you choose, and look for some of the fake signal, the bullish trap and the bearish trap. If you see, okay, a bearish trap, okay, as the market is about to close on Friday, okay, you know that the next opening market will be a gap down or a gap up. Okay, so Friday, this can be a trading system for you only to detect. Okay, so you are like the inspector of the market, because you understand the language of the price, you know what the market is doing. So Friday, okay, 5 minutes before the market close, okay, you just open some of the chart and you flip to them, looking for a bullish trap and looking for a bearish trap, because you know that by Friday, as the market is about to close, many traders will place trade. They do it all the time. They place trade just to observe the market as the market is about to close on Friday. If you are trading stocks, okay, so just Dow Jones is about to close and S&P 500 is about to close 5 minutes before the market is about to close at 4 p.m. Okay, go and check and look at it on the chart and observe and see what kind of thing. You see huge volume coming in the market because people are placing orders, okay, over the weekend. Some people are doing it. Some, especially swing traders, will see a swing trading opportunity. They don't want to miss it, okay, or they see MACD cross the zero line or whatever, or the rate of change indicator crossing the zero line, and they are eager to say that, okay, this is a new trend is about to begin. But sometimes you can detect excellent gap trade, which means if you are TSTW24 trader, you can just go and look. If you see a triple red signal, okay, a triple red signal after a single green signal, okay, you know that this is a bearish trap. So come Monday, there's a high probability, okay, there's a high probability that the price will gap down. So you can perfectly go around and use this strategy of detecting bullish trap, a bearish trap, in order to locate a stock or commodity or currency that are likely to gap up or down on Monday. Especially on Friday, if you look carefully, you will see excellent candidate. Sometimes I tell people that the market will gap down, and the market will gap down. Why? Not because I know how to I mean, I have a special magic ball that I use. Just because you see, if you see a valid, fake, okay, a bullish, valid, fake, bullish signal, you know straight away that on Monday the market will gap down, because you know that this is a triple green signal after a single red signal. So this is happening on Friday evening. Monday, there's a high probability that the market will gap down. So you will just take your profit and walk away. This is your advantage, okay? You deserve it because you know something that many other traders do not know. The same thing if you see, for instance, okay, a triple red signal after a single green signal, you know that this is a typical bearish trap, okay? So you go instead and buy, okay? You go instead and buy because you know that other traders, the majority of the market will be busy selling, and you will see sometimes as the market is about to close in the last minute, like 3 minutes before the market closes, you will see clearly these people coming in, and you'll be wondering what these people are doing, okay? You will see clearly people taking the wrong position. A wrong position. You see the pipe doing completely what the pipe is not supposed to do, and you see that these people are taking the trap. They are taking the trap. I don't know who are the people who set the trap. I don't know whether it's the market makers. I don't know whether these are hedge fund managers. I don't know whether it's the bank that set it. But usually on Friday, as the market is about to close, in the last 5 minutes, we see very often, okay, for stock that gap down or gap up, we see very often those fake trap, okay? So if you want to know or master once and for all the subject of bearish trap and bullish trap, all you have to do is to go to our website www.stochastic-market.com and get a TSCW24 trading system, and we will reveal to you what is a triple a green signal after a single red signal, and also what is a triple red signal after a single green signal, so that you do not fall into the bullish trap and the bearish trap. This video is about how to detect accurately and to recognize clearly a bullish trap. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video also, that you put into practice in order to create a market consistently. We are the TSTW SYS08 traders. If you are TSTW24 trader and you want to know more about this information, you may perfectly send me a quick email and I will surely get back to you. We wish you the very best in your trading and a happy weekend to you all. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.